These slime face squeezing videos are pulling millions of views across Shorts and TikTok. But if you've tried making them with celebrities, you've probably run into policy blocks. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate workaround. I'm going to show you how to use a hybrid AI strategy to automate these viral hits in minutes. So let's build. First, head to ChatGPT, then click on Explore GPTs and search the GPT store for slime face. This is our script and prompt engine. Click Start and choose Celebrity Slime Face. It'll ask you for your character and setting. Let's go with The Undertaker on a clean white marble table. The GPT will give you a list of image prompts and one specific animation prompt. Copy that first image prompt. And here's the secret sauce. Most tools block famous likenesses, so we're taking that prompt to Gemini Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt here. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical video. Hit Generate. Nano Banana 2 handles high-fidelity celebrity renders without the policy errors you'll see on other platforms. Save that 2K image. It's going to look incredible. Now, let's bring the squeeze to life. Head over to Flow and go to Image to Video. Upload your new celebrity slime image. Go back to your ChatGPT window, copy the animation prompt. Make sure you choose Frame to Video and paste it into the motion box. Make sure audio is toggled on. The video engine will generate the native, oddly satisfying squish sounds that make these videos go viral. Similarly, if you want to put yourself in the video, just select the Place Yourself option in the GPT and run the whole process inside Flow. No filters to worry about here, since you're not dealing with celebrities. In just a few clicks, you've got a high-retention 2K slime squeeze ready to upload. This hybrid workflow is the fastest way to scale a faceless channel in this niche. I've dropped all the links and tools in the description below. Now, it's your turn to hit that like button. If you want more AI automation builds like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.